I drove a Subaru at 20s. That's none of my business. Osegira, oba wavuga Subaru at 20, that's none of my fucking business. That's for you. Don't take ambulamobo. Segira, I'm not competing with you. Whether you drive a Mark II, whether you drive a Mercedes Benz, that's none of my business. So when I bought this car was not for your satisfaction, my dear. So don't you comment go to show people mbunawo ine motoka. People will know that you have a car even if you don't tell them. Comment so that I read you. That's idiocy. You can make your own life. Now we know about motoka jovuga, not here. So tane sibako bambi. Mai mutwe sibako. You around. So if you drove a Subaru at 20, so what? Are you the one who feeds me? Are you the one who pays my house? Are you the one who get for me the job I have? So that's for you. Segi, that's one for me. Segi, that's what nesiba komukwana. My sister Uganda mwine chizibu. You pretend to live a good life. Yet you as poor as a church mouse. So you want to compete with me? Mukwano nze junior andi mukulya capital jaku nze ndia magoba goja kulya capital oja kulaba nti junior yaguze motoka nawo odduke mu bondi mbuyagala motoka ya milioni 5 you will collapse. Stop competing with people. Nze my life is different from you. My life is different. Abampa seto gule motoka eno bamanyi. Did I get it on? So people stop being stupid. Chovanga waliwo ba bloga bali ba competing nange babivako. You cannot underestimate what you don't know. Tosola kumanyira muntu gotamanyi. Gotamanyi ndia na ansula. You see, tuine mikwano mu Uganda who pretend to know us. Nenga tebatumanyi. Never undermine a person you don't know his income. Amatumne basikidda amataka wano. Omuntu ali wana jajjawe na afa natunde taka naba mugaga. You see, Uganda okubo mugaga kyangu. Some of the people waiting for their parents to die. Nga yasabira tata wa afafu nebyo obusika. Tomorrow jamusanga mugaga. Nenga 10 years ago yali mwafu. Ate yo system te applying amawanga g'abazungu. System z'abazungu tezina leakage. You must work to get money. But in Africa, wano mu Uganda, omuntu azuka taina mitwalo 10 mu nsawo bugenda okuzibanga ine million nenga taina mulimo gwakola. Muli kunseke musabiriza mwagufulira ddala mulimo kano lwecho this republic, the so-called banana republic, Uganda is different. Takati mukwano to wetuga tudduka mu bondi mbukwa ulide junior is I work in the Ministry of Lands. Government yensasula oba ndwadde oba nkoze de rupe with allowances. Lero badde njogera ne muganda wa president Uncle Sodo nga discussing naye namugati kizibu kya Uganda. People pretend to know people.